Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to unblock someone in your Google Meet account, considering that you have blocked this person accidentally. First, go into your Meet application and make sure that you have logged in the right account for this unblocking process. After entering the Meet application, click the menu icon that you can see in the top left corner of the screen and then click the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, you must click the Block Users tab in order to see the list of users that we have blocked in this account. After clicking this, it will show an interface or list of the blocked users. Here you will see one of the blocked users that I have blocked in my account. Click the X icon on the right corner or beside the email of this user. And that's it. That's how you can unblock someone in your Google Meet account. And thank you for listening.